Hey, my name's Jesse. I've done a social media marketing agency course. I have done them from Ty Lopez and a few other places. I found that the best content that you can find is going to be a paid course. Ty's content is super worth actually getting. You know, he has more information. He has more than just social media marketing. He teaches SEO. He teaches Google AdWords. He has people from all sorts of different companies that actually work with him to teach you and bring more benefit to taking his course. I've went through his course completely. I've been making my own agency. I'm building it. I make a few $1,000s a month. Currently, I'm trying to push. I want to be, making, 6, 7 figures here in the next 6 months to a year. The more you do, the more you get from it. The more you spend time, the more you make videos, the more you make content, you learn how much more you can get from your business. I found more and more courses that you can pay online and go through. There's a lot that I don't know how I feel about, like Udemy, but the amount of content from Ty Lopez is because it teaches you how to set up your business, it teaches you how to choose a niche, and it teaches you how to find clients. It goes through all sorts of stuff. And it's not like there's not going to be businesses out there to advertise, because even if one company is in your current location getting paid, then that means their competition needs to have someone paid for marketing as well. A lot of in-house marketing, they know how to do all the old stuff, newspaper, radio, all the boring things that don't work anymore because we're part of a digital age. So yeah, if you want to learn more, there's a link in the bio for Ty Lopez's social media marketing course. Highly recommend doing it because of the amount of information that's in there. It makes the few $100s that you have to pay for it worth it. Plus, you get to go to one of the different social media marketing uh, courses that he has at his house, because they have conferences all the time, and you get to see his house, see where he lives, what it's like, and the type of people that are around. The lifestyle is worth it in itself.